everyone, welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen, and I'm Terry. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and easy copycat of Pace Picante sauce. This sauce is perfect for dipping, topping, or adding to your favorite Mexican dishes. It'd be perfect on the top of those chicken enchiladas that we made last week. And I'll leave a link for that recipe down below. It's made with simple ingredients that you probably have in your pantry, and it tastes just like the famous Pace Picante sauce. So grab your apron and let's get started. Okay, first we need a small saucepan. I have 1 cup of water in here. We need another cup of water. A 6-ounce can of tomato paste. If I forget to tell you the measurements on something, don't worry, it's all in the recipe in the description box. Then we need 1/3 cup of chopped onions, 1/4 cup of pretty finely chopped jalapenos, including the seeds. Now this takes, depending on the size of your jalapenos, probably 3 to 4 jalapenos. We need 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. And then we have a 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic. You can use fresh or jarred. We have a rounded 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of dried minced onions. Now you just want to whisk it all together. And we want to heat this over medium-high heat until it reaches a boil. Once it comes to a boil, then we're going to reduce the heat just to medium or medium-low and simmer it for 30 minutes or until it starts to thicken. You can enjoy this sauce right away or store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. You can also freeze it for longer storage. This sauce is great for nachos, tacos, burritos, enchiladas, quesadillas, and more. You can also use it as a marinade, a dressing, or a dip for chips, veggies, or it's great as a topping for chicken. As always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as a link so that you can print it out. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of this sauce and if you have any requests for future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have fun in the kitchen.